My dear students, in this particular video, I have covered the four parts of the stanza. Since it's a very long poem in 13th stanza, I tried my level best to constrain it in only 4 to 5 videos. The ninth stanza start Belinda paid, mouse hold. In this particular stanza, the real story now is revealed. Belinda is in pain. His head hurt and facial expressions are going grim, sadness. And she's crying for help. The mustard he's a dog, yellow dog, he's also crying and fled. The ink, he fled to the bottom of the house. And the Blink the mouse, he went to the mouse hole. So nobody was there to help Belinda. Everybody fled. They all told that they are brave, this and that, but everybody fled. In the next stanza, the 10th stanza, it starts from but up jumped squirrel. Squirrel means like this, different kind of facial expressions. In this particular stanza, what happens? Then all of a sudden, Custard came out of his cage and he stood in the front of the pirate and he was fuming with anger, and it was like an engine from his noises were coming from his nose, like the engine when it pumps now, shh, like that. The sound was coming from his nose, and he was in full fury and rage, and in rage he was belting his tail. And when he was belting his tail on the ground, it seems that the two metals were striking and making a huge sound like dangles. It means the dragon was ready to face the wrath of the pirate and to defeat him. So this was the moment where the Custard the dragon proved his bravery to Belinda that, see, I am the dragon and I am the real dragon. This is the meaning of the 10th stanza. In the 11th stanza, the pirate every bit. This is the most important stanza. In this stanza, dragon shocked the pirate that, oh, this particular pet animal is so brave that he would like to face a pirate like me, who is having two pistols in his hand and a cutlass in his teeth and who is looking so menacing. He came in the way. So pirate was shocked. So what he did, he pulled out some jog means a kind of a wine, and drank it, which he was putting in his pocket. And then he pulled out his pistol and fired 2 shots at Custard the dragon. But both the bullets missed Custard the dragon. And what happened? The next moment, the Custard swallowed the whole pirate. He just swallowed the whole pirate and left not even a trace of it. Pirate was nowhere to be seen. He just swallowed the pirate like this, and it was Belinda was stunned. Oh my God. This is for the stanza 11th. In the 12th stanza, Belinda the pirate. Now Belinda was thinking, oh my God, he proved his bravery. This Custard the dragon, he embarrassed him and he says, oh my God, you saved me. Then the Mustard the dog, who went crying and who fled the scene, he came and started licking like dogs do not when they show the love. Then Ink and Blink also came and they start dancing around the Custard the dragon, and everybody was very happy, playful, and thanking Custard the dragon. Oh, you saved us from the dragon. In the last video, I will tell you the 13th stanza and the literary device used in the whole poem. Thank you.